Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today we're here with Ambush, Daily Duppy. Ambush, big up yourself, my G. Go jump in the one now to find out what the G has say. So, let's get it, let's go.
Yeah.
Big up GRM Daily Duppy.
Yeah. This year's been a hectic one. Been so spun by the Rona, we all forgot what Brexit done. So you see the shortage.
Conversation I'm have with people. Conversation I'm have with people on a day-to-day basis. Since Rona appears, everybody forget the last topic. The last big topic that was going on. See him just say it.
John petrol, now picture an electric. Oh no, we all forgot what Brexit done. So you see the shortage on petrol, now picture an electric one. That's connection.
I was looking at something else pertaining to the shortage from petrol, but I'm not gonna say it, Pandit.
So you see the shortage on petrol, now picture an electric one. That's connection done. That's I'm paying an expensive. That's I'm paying an expensive one. Check this one. White Jesus got me vexed with mum. All I'm dropping is truth and facts, but she will not accept this one.
Jesus Christ. Ambush! Yeah, read my mind, bro. Well, let me give you one of them here. Sorry, something dropped. Ambush! Yeah, read my mind, brother? Bro, everything what you say a while ago, I have them conversation with people. If me got my grandmother yard right now, and say, grandmother, what kind of picture? Because she have a picture like where you just show up on something in her house. I say, grandmother, take another picture there. Come out of my house. Come out of my house. Road out of order. Okay, grandma. Okay, I'm gone. See you tomorrow. Me come back and tell you the same thing. That picture there, me tell you the same about. Yo, Ambush, pick up a bumbo class.
Jesus got me vexed with mum. All I'm dropping is truth and facts, but she will not accept this one. I ain't even saying that dude was black, but these pics are selective ones. Woo! This type of shit what holds us back. This type of shit what kept us dumb.
Preach! Yeah, bro.
Jordan 4s or Jordan 1s. Imagine like 100 years from now. Now they're calling all the Jordans John, and they say John used to look like Tom. And
the floor. Ambush. The floor that
100 years from now they're calling all the Jordans John, and they say John used to look like Tom, and they say either way it don't matter, cause now everybody's got Jordans on. Now everybody's got Jordans. It's long, I ain't even trying to give right from wrong. I'm just trying to pick sense from nonsense. It's common sense why I write this song. I don't even care if you like this song. Facts ain't got feelings, we ain't got facts, and we ain't got freedom.
Can I pull this up again? I'm gonna start a blood clot again. Can I start again? Can I blood clot?
Yeah.
Nah, man! Are you that different?
This year's been a hectic one. Been so spun by the Rona, we all forgot what Brexit done.
Yep.
So you see the shortage on petrol, now picture an electric one.
Yep.
That's connection done. That's I'm paying an expensive. That's I'm paying an expensive one. Check this one.
Watch out.
Jesus got me vexed with mum. All I'm dropping is truth and facts, but she will not accept this one. I ain't even saying that dude was black, but these pics are selective ones. This type of shit what holds us back. This type of shit what kept us dumb. Jordan 4s or Jordan 1s. Imagine like 100 years from now. Now they're calling all the Jordans John, and they say John used to look like Tom, and they say either way it don't matter, cause now everybody's got Jordans on. Now everybody's got Jordans. It's long, I ain't even trying to give right from wrong. I'm just trying to pick sense from nonsense. It's common sense why I write this song. I don't even care if you like this song. Facts ain't got feelings, we ain't got facts, and we ain't got freedom. Ain't no God, then there ain't no demons. Ain't got meaning, we ain't got reason. That's why we get that depression feeling. That's why we get that oppression feeling. That's why the lean's got bare man leaning. That's why the loud can stop man dreaming. That's why our whole generation's bleeding. All we know is act like demons. My generation, don't get mad, get even.
Yeah.
All we know is bags and bitches. Sad generation, but we got happy pictures.
The fact that him a talk about the generation where him in that guy are real as hell. Him not pretty up, him not sugarcoat nothing. He might tell you as it is. Ambush, big up yourself, G. One more time. My son gone. Bring up my son.
Bad bees act like sisters. Man, them act like brothers. Don't even help each other. Let me tell you about the gutter. Niggas doing life in their can and their friends can't send them a wonder. Still trying to flex in the summer. Sucker. You're not a boss at best, you're a runner. Can't tell me about stress, I'm a gunner. All my friends do it stretch like a Hummer. And one up, more time I handle it, one up. One man, two sticks like a drummer. Never thought it'd be this on a come up.
Oh, fucking hell.
My friends do it stretch like a Hummer. And one up, more time I handle it, one up. One man, two sticks like a drummer. Never thought it'd be this on a come up. And shut up, shut up. Pay attention, blood, you might learn something. You already know what it is, fam. OT, one truth, one team, 1,000. I think the only thing buzzword like it will murder them.
Next track. First track was fire down. Let me see what I'm going for the second track.
Yeah. Never had a job, I never had a gyro. I can never have it, never had a fire. I'm graduating.
Man said never had a job, never had a gyro. So that means that the government never help him and he never help himself by getting a job. But he's still making money. Read between the lines. Further on in the news.
I had a job, I never had a gyro. I can never have it, never had a fire. I'm graduated from the streets, but what do I know? I'm verified, they even put it in my bio. I chose the grind, I done the grind full time. You got a polish shop before you get to shine, yo. I made the money back, I never got the time, no. I made the money back, I never got the time, no.
I made the money back, I never got the time. The boss I tell us, say, listen, I make the money, but I never get the time for it. Do me things same way. Even think give me a little nothing compared to what I make. Pick up yourself.
I made the money back, I never got the time back. It was really way before we had a shy rack.
So him turn around and say, he make the money back, but he never get the time back. So the time him spend in prison, him never get it back. You see me? But he make back the money when him lose though.
I made the money back, I never got the time back. It was really way before we had a shy rack. In 09 I was listening to Cowboys. I hit the roads with intent to supply that. And I ain't trying to promote or consign that, but things that I learned on the curbs was a life hack. I just transfer my skills and apply that. You got robbed for your jewels, you had to buy back. Rapping like your streets, you ain't like that. You got stabbed by your friends, you didn't like that. If that was me, I would've let that corn fly back. In the back with the Mizzy, not the iMac.
Fuck.
I just transfer my skills and apply that. You got robbed for your jewels, you had to buy back. Rapping like your streets, you ain't like that. You got stabbed by your friends, you didn't like that. If that was me, I would've let that corn fly back. In the back with the Mizzy, not the iMac. But now I see the bigger picture, IMAX. Steady studying the scripture, finance, Binance. To be the boss, you gotta somebody, not nobody. I could never be a prick for nobody. I was outside, now I'm a homebody with a sweet one and she got her own body. There's a war going on outside.
The man said the home, if it's a homeboy with him sweet one and she have her own body, that means everything for her real. Big up the girl with them real body with confidence and them skin still. Big up the girl with them fake things still. Nothing wrong with that, but big up the real one them same way. But like you with your flow, I like him. I like him flow, dog. Him flow does different. I can understand everything what he must say. Me not against our play. Is that what he just said? No. I understand everything what the boss has said. But G, big up yourself, bro.
Side now, man, it's safe on you. Can't stop the rain even if you had a brolly. Can't stop the pain even if you had the medicine. Tell me about the gob if you aren't get off the trolley. Tell Natalie, say sorry. Bitch, apologize. I bust case after case, no apologies. Fuck the judge, fuck the J's, cut it onto me. But there's no stopping me, honestly. I'm relentless. Been through more hard work than a dentist. So you know your wage can.
More hard work than a dentist. When dentists deal with teeth, them white. Some of them anyway. When the man saying been through more hard work than a dentist, yo, duh.
I'm relentless. Been through more hard work than a dentist. So you know your wage couldn't match my expenses. Call me Mo Stack. I was 18 when I wrote that. All bars back there chatting to me. From my bust a strip search with a pack in my cheeks. That's composure. And I'm the artist. That's disclosure. Top 5 dead or alive. Remember I told you I'm colder. And if you don't believe that we're back when you're sober, you must be drunk.
Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. Yo, buckler, ambush. Yo, ambush bad, yo, fuck. The man said top 5. The man said, man, top 5 of the business. Don't take him light. Don't think I might tell. The boss, yo, the 2 song them bad, bro. Brother, the 2 song them bad, brother. Yo, me G, you had my attention for the whole track, dog, for the whole 2 song them, bro. Big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. You just earn yourself a true fan. Me is a true. No, me cooler than a fan. Me a one. Me a AC. Yeah, me a air conditioner. You just earn yourself a air conditioner, me G. Big up yourself, my fam. Me gonna start do some research on yourself and find out what else you have out there on the market. Because brother, you're real as fuck. You see me? This is what I'm gonna do when I steal, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like on the one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you? Ooh.